Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get 6-star champions in Raid Shadow Legends. Getting a 6-star champion in Raid Shadow Legends is a major milestone, but it takes patience, farming, and smart use of resources. Champions start at 1 to 5 stars when you summon them, and to rank 1 up, you need to sacrifice other champions of the same rank, usually called food champions. First, level your main champion to 50, the max for a 5 star, then gather 5 other 5-star champions to rank them up to 6 stars. You can farm campaigns like Stage 12 to 3, Brutal to level your champions efficiently. If you don't want to spend time leveling food champions, you can use chickens from events or the shop. They instantly count as food for ranking. Start with your campaign farmer for your first 6 stars, then prioritize support healers or key champions for clan bosses and dungeons. Use the fusion system in your portal or bastion to handle the rank apps easily. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.